these are my three favoriteest slip joints. And we will put them in order here. So, the first one, which I'm not even sure if it's a slip joint, because I'm not sure as far as a friction folder what that is. But the Outdoor Edge Swink. Is it Swink or Swinky? It said on the clip, but I took the clip off. But yeah, Swink. I think it's Swink, and now I'm cheating because you're seeing all the other knives. Knife number 2, which is my all-time favorite slip joint, is the Case Sodbuster Jr. I would love to find this. I don't think they make them in any other color handles, but I do like the classic synthetic, whatever, yellow. But black and red would be awesome. And then my most favorite slip joint ever. Well, not ever. Right now is the Spyderco Roadie. So if you've seen my other knives or other videos, you might be saying, well, what about your Benchmade Proper? And you would be correct in that it actually is preferred over the Swink. The Swinky? I gotta look that up. But, yeah, I'm not getting up. So, just imagine this is a Benchmade Proper. And those are my three favorite slip joints. And rather than re-record the video, we will slap the Benchmade Proper up there. I actually love all three of these about the same, to be honest with you. I mean, for the office, this one, and then everywhere else, all of them. There you go. My three favorite slip joints. The Benchmade Proper, Case Sodbuster Jr., and the Spyderco Roadie. Swinky. Swinky it is. Thank you, Google.